Starting our trip, we're heading to Grandforks. Pretty pumped for that. We got Seadoos, we got boats, we got ATVs, we got the bikes. This is gonna be a pretty action-packed set of videos coming up here soon. Just leaving Calgary now. Gonna head down through Radium to Cranbrook, meet up with Landon. Berries, buns. That was a lot of money in groceries. Now let's see if it all fits in the cooler. What do you think?
Probably not.
Marinate some steaks. Making some room. Off we go. Oh, Radium. So this is Radium. This is really cool up here.
Looks like it's like Utah or something.
There he is. There's the guy.
Okay, buddy!
Winning. Well, this is our home for the next week. The van's cabin. It's very busy. I'm not the only bike guy. Beauty. Hopefully the sun doesn't get me in the morning. Headed off to the lake with this beast.
Got the toys.
This.
Let's go, boys.
That guy. And that old girl. Oh, the sun comes out. Hey Lance, what happened here?
Oh, it's lovely. Lovely transition.
I think we're in reduced engine power mode. Yeah.
All right, now we're in the Dodge.
We're in
The truck that hopefully won't break down. Round 2, we're gonna go boating this time. You made it.
Oh, yes, we did.
Right, Steph?
Nice.
300 horsepower, let her rip.
Ready? Let's see this. Oh my god.
That's ridiculous. That's a race car of Seadoos.
Yeah, you definitely want to clip in. Okay, have fun. Let me know what you think.
How do I start this device? How do you run these?
Sport mode. Press mode and then hold mode. Left control.
Sport.
Done.
Are you holding on?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Did I wet you?
Let's have his phone charged in the hand too.
Oh,
This thing is insane!
this doesn't need to be a thing.
This is insane!
This is the craziest
It's like
Sea-Doo.
riding a sled on water.
Yeah, literally. This is nuts.
This is wicked.
We're slowly just drifting north today. Steph's going for a ride by herself. It goes even faster when there's not this guy on the back.
What's up?
Here we are, attempt number 2 to be made with Cody here. Let me pass you over to the cameraman.
Oh, okay, you got it going.
Not my favorite board sport. Hurts the arms. Feels weird. It was pretty fun, right?
Yeah, it was a good
What are your
time.
thoughts?
Oh, it was good. Did a good job.
I don't want to do it anymore. Well, maybe one more time. What are your thoughts? Do you want to go wakeboarding? Why not? I just went wakeboarding.
Hey, we're gonna go this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit it! Bye, Hagen.
Wait. We're going for it!
Let's jump in! Woo! All right, let's go jump off that.
I see how I'm getting up. I'm finding another one.
Are you coming? Why? That way's super easy. Just go up.
Oh. Wise advice. Just go up.
Just go up. Where's the other guy? Oh, there's the other guy.
I told you.
That's some height, eh?
Yeah, that's really high. Scared already. You get a good push down, you'll gain it. Holy smokes.
Come on, big man. Wow! Did that hurt your feet? Woo! Did that hurt your feet?
I hurt my butthole.
Ready? You ready?
Do something cool.
Are you ready? Okay, bye-bye. Woo!
That was less of a hurt.
Woo! Hi, Nancy boy! Woo! Do a flip! Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, look, there's a dead mouse. Hello, buddy.
Throw him in the water so you can land on him.
Fish food. Look, the mouse it's a monster mouse.
Why do you have to pick it up?
Ah,
There, eh?
it's eating Cody's head.
Fish food.
Go straight.
Okay, so jump out
There's
that.
a mouse in my landing.
Actually?
Why did you have to throw it down there?
It's fine. You'll
No,
miss
it's
it.
not fun.
All I can
There's
see
a
is
dead mouse in my landing.
Just open your mouth. You'll scoop it up. Hey, hurry up. The Seadoo's floating too shore. Okay, you guys gotta go. I gotta go rescue the Seadoo.
Okay, you jump and then we'll jump. And then you can get it from the Seadoo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Backflip. They want another gainer. They always tell me do a flip.
Do a flip.
Do a flip. Do a flip.
Land on the mouse.
Yeah, we're doing a flip. Ready?
Tree.
I should yell wrong.
Did he move my mouse?
Why'd there be a
Oh, the mouse has moved. Swim, boy, swim. That Seadoo's about to hit the land.
This is a bridge I would go.
Yeah! That's awesome!
Yeah.
Good job!
Lando Escobar over there.
When Lance is home, his week's over before it even started.
Yeah.
He's got like so much shit he's got like planned out and like got all these appointments.
Okay, so Cody's hopping on the Seadoo, swapping out with Hagen. And he's gonna take it for a ride.
These are gonna go off. It's not much of like a...
We almost sliding to the lake.
Yeah, you were like that close.
Sport mode and it went down as I was backing up.
Yeah,
I didn't know that it did that.
I didn't know.
It glanced up and I was, oh my god!
Yeah.
Like, how close do you think it was? Yeah.
I was like, I can't do anything, so I was like, just ready to catch it when it went in the water.
Okay.
Big boy truck, peace boys. Good day in the water. If that thing goes in front of me, it's gonna break down. Well, after a day of boating, we found some drag races. Gonna race Hagen. If Hagen wants to take the boat off, I'm gonna race him. Okay, we're gonna line up to race Hagen here. Hopefully I can take him down. Race number 2.
Cody's racing his mobile home.
Yeah, we got mobile home.
That's so funny. I didn't quite get her. Good effort though. It's hard to compete with a transmission that works.
That was cool, eh?
Yeah. Didn't like that third gear shift. Oh! Although my transmission doesn't explode.
Yeah,
There's only 2 runs. It's probably not too bad.
eh? No.
Just had an awesome day, did some boating, ended up going to some drag races, raced the old brown cow. I won once, and then I got beat by a Duramax, but just gonna cook up dinner right now and probably hit the hay and see what tomorrow has in store.